In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Lloyds Bank online banking sign up 2025 step by step and how to sign into Safeco insurance account. First, let's get your Lloyds Bank online banking set up. You can register either through the official Lloyds Bank website or directly in their mobile app, whichever is more convenient for you. Before you begin, have a few details ready so the process is smooth. You'll need your personal information, including your full name, your date of birth, and your current contact details. You'll also need your account information, specifically your Lloyds Bank sort code and account number. If you're registering using another eligible account, such as a credit card, keep those details to hand as well. For identity verification, make sure you have valid photo ID, like a UK driving license or passport, and keep an up-to-date mobile phone nearby. The number should be the one registered with the bank because they use it for security calls and verification codes. Once you're on the website or in the app, follow the prompts to begin registration and carefully fill in each field with your personal information. Enter your account details exactly as they appear on your statements so they match the bank's records. When you're asked to verify your identity, use your chosen ID and follow the on-screen instructions. Good lighting and a steady hand help. If you're scanning a document, when the system sends a security code to your phone, enter it promptly to confirm it's really you. Take your time, review each page before continuing, and avoid using public Wi-Fi for this step. That's the core of the registration, website or app. Provide your personal info, your account info, verify your identity, and confirm using the phone number on file. Next, let's quickly cover how to sign into your Safeco insurance account. Start by going to the official Safeco login portal in your browser. On the login page, enter your email in the username field and type your password in the password field. Double check for typos, especially if your device autofills. When everything looks correct, select Sign In to access your account. If you're on a shared or public computer, consider using a private browsing window and always sign out when you're done. That's all there is to it. With your Lloyds Bank online banking registered and your Safeco sign-in steps clear, you're ready to manage your account with confidence.